Hello friends, in the series of BSc IPF, today we will again talk about some other topic related to automobile sector. We have seen the designing and developing part, we have also discussed about manufacturing, we have also discussed a bit about auto ancillary. But today a topic which we are going to discuss is a topic which attracts all of us. Usually a small investor, whenever he is investing in the market, he considers the advertisement. Advertisement can be one part in fundamental analysis, but it cannot be sole reason to invest into the stock market or in the mutual fund. But how advertisement sector works in auto industry, we will try to see in today's session. If we want to discuss about advertisement, then we can see that all the automobile companies are spending 46% into print area, then 28% for the TV commercials, then 16% they are spending on digital marketing, then 5% they are spending on cinemas, which we see the advertisement before the picture in movie theater. This trend is decreasing by day. There is observation in the market. Then for holding and all, they are spending around 3%, and they are just spending 2% on radio. But there is some exception in the market that advertiser who is a top advertiser in the industry is spending most on radio, then digital, and then printing. Out of 100 buyers, 41 buyers buys Maruti car, and that top advertiser is Maruti only. They are focusing on behavior, they are focusing on emotions, and you must be remembering their ad campaign that a small kid used to say that kya kare papa, petrol to khatam hi nahi honda. They work on the affordability, fuel efficiency. Usually all the multi-purpose vehicles and the passenger vehicles work on such kind of emotional behavior of the customer, and then they design a ad campaign around it. Understanding their emotional and behavioral needs, usually it happens, usually such kind of ad campaigns makes impact on tier 2 and tier 3 cities. There was one more interesting ad campaign of Indica. When they brought the Indica car, their campaign was more car per car, because they were giving the exterior of Maruti, interior of Ambassador. They were using the engine of Fiat and giving the best efficiency related to fuel and the looks and everything. So more car per car made the sales of 1,15,000 Indica in 1 week. So ad campaign, how it is designed and how it is placed matters most. Then nowadays, changing the era, nowadays social media is taking a place of the trending and traditional ad ways or advertising ways, because costing is less. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is taking a place. Whenever we are surfing online, it observes or it takes a note of our behavior, how we are, where we are surfing, and then they create the advertisement like that. Cost per click or cost per action is mattering most in this ad campaign, and usually customer makes mind before visiting the shops, before visiting a showroom. They have all the information related to the vehicle details, all the means like specification of the vehicle. They know all the things because they use the internet for that. So social media and digital marketing and internet marketing is taking place of the traditional ways of marketing. India is the fastest growing auto ad sector with a CAGR of 12.8% nowadays. These are the figures for last 3-4 years, and few auto experts are saying that if the social media is taking the place of traditional ways of advertisement, then the profit margin will definitely increase. What amount a company is spending on advertisement and what profit they are making matters. So we should also consider the ROI on the investments of the advertisement. So today we will stop here. If you want to know more about some different topic, please mention in the comment section. Don't forget to write your name along with the email address. Also you have to say thanks to BSc IPF and SEBI, because they took this initiative. There is a playlist on automobile sector. You need to check the YouTube channel for that. The same topic is available in Hindi and Marathi, but for that also you need to visit YouTube channel. Thank you very much.